Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 1st of November. Woo! It's 111. And today, aujourd'hui, on commence maintenant, okay? So we're going ahead and going into your channel reading. But before we do that, I have a channel song for you. You know this, Taurus. Never really had time to sing the song karaoke, but nevertheless, if I slip up, you know it's because it slipped out. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Taurus, what was that? Oh, super girl, Danique, when you lie, them, when you lie, them, all you had to do was try. Situation warrant to spend a little time to tell me something less transparent. Me no vex say you lie. Me upset say you refuse to try. With the high up and then a temperance. Me only vexing around. I hold on with yourself if it's good to move on. Just tell me something that I don't know. Because we've been down this road before. You know me not gonna lurk by your window. Me not gonna do it. You know what you're looking for. Oh, you should know me. I don't care about where or who. One thing I want you to do is make me believe you. When you lie, you lie, you lie. Make me believe you. And all you had to do was try. Make me believe you. And if it's all the same to you, I want to believe you. So make me believe. I am stronger than ever before. Make me believe. That is all Danique you want to say. No, let us talk about Danique a little bit. Because I remember when I was in Jamaica, Danique had her beautiful wedding on the fucking beach. Oh my God. Everybody was like, wow. Danique, proud wifey. Oh my God. Now what the fuck happened? Apparently, a couple years down the line, she and the man break up. No, Danique man was a Taurus. I believe he was a twin. She did marry a set of twins. Remember Danique, we should have checked your birth chart. I don't know. I'm sorry, when I met you at CVM TV, I did not know about tarot, ma'am. But she did marry a set of twins. Now I won't say that her life is. I'm not gonna say that because from younger high school, Danique was there, okay? But that's all she was trying to tell that those twins. Make me believe you. If you lie, you lie, you lie. Because I know how those uptown Jamaicans stay. You think because you're uptown and you're fucking Danique, you're not exempt from fuckery. I know how to fucking stay. And let us be very honest. Danique is a very nice girl. So any man who talk about say, oh, me never deal with her because she have attitude, or because she this, because she's selfish. Danique is none of those things, and she's not a cheater either. I must fuck your fuck partner with one of them dirty blood clot gal uptown Mondays, or because you are in entertainment world, sir. You know like say you're a promoter, you're a blood clot woman, a blood clot artist. So the fucker keep taking on Jamaican girls, impregnating them and fucking them up. Jesus Christ, I'm glad IRC tell me we can't stay till 2019. No Jamaican man to my pussy that leaves till 2029. I keep saying 2019. I came to the country 2019. Right. So that's all that he wants the fucking Jamaica, the public to know. Make me believe you. Men, that's all we want you to know. We're not saying, oh, you don't think I'm worth flat words? What the fuck? That's not what we're saying. We're saying make me believe you. If you lie, then you're lying. But make me believe you. All you had to do was try. You didn't try to lie? No. Well, that's why she don't believe you. So I'm getting someone does not believe you, okay? Anyways, Taurus. I also pulled some cards for you last night. I was getting the strength card, bears. So I'm getting something about a Leo. One Leo lose. Or something about a bear. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your birth chart spread. Okay. See how fastly we can navigate through this spread. Let us look at your self-image, Taurus. You lie? Because I think someone else is. We got the 6 of Swords. I'm getting, you're not lying, you're abandoning. I'm getting you relocating, Taurus. I'm getting you gone and you ain't coming back. Don't be if I choose to move on. I'm getting you choosing to move on. Because maybe you find out that somebody lied. Okay? What is their value? The 10 of Cups. Yeah, somebody married. I'm getting it's a Pisces. If him not married, him live with the woman. And he might be telling you that, oh, I live with the woman, but it's not no blood clot goes on. You believe a man who tell you that? You believe a man who tell you that? Same live with a woman, him kids, and he ain't fucking her. You believe that? Alright, do your thing. Anyways, 10 of cups, making somebody lie. So you're leaving them, you find out them have a family. They're already married. Or them have side bitches. Okay, great. You telling them make them use you. You telling them make them use you. And of them I use you. Or some else a blood clot use you. You believe that? Okay. So if a girl tell you that she still live with her ex-husband, but they don't really have sex, but they live in the same house with kids, you believe her? Okay, anyways, let us continue. What is the communication? Yeah, the communication is fuck up. Shut the fuck up. That's what the communication is. I'm getting the 8 of Swords. I'm getting a final that somebody is married, they had kids already, or they had another love. So you want to leave them. And I'm getting them now make you leave. They want you to stay a part of this polygamous situation. They want you to stay a part of a situation you did not consent to, right? I'm getting somebody want to trap you. They must say, no, you belong to me. And even if me have another wife, you're still my wife. No, the fuck I'm not. That's your man, that is not my man. Are you staying by him? I'm not staying by him. I'm not, okay? Tell him to get one of his other fucking wives to fucking stay by him. The fuck you need me for, ho? Right? Okay, great. So the communication is you're not saying anything. You feel trapped in this marriage. Me getting you're not even telling people. You're not even telling whosoever this is that you feel trapped. You just want left. Because they lie to you. You don't want to. What you gonna talk about? Why you lie? How long the lie has been held? You don't lie. We have nothing else to talk about. Other than you trying to convince me that your lie was worth lying to me about. Anyways, your home life is the Ace of Cups. So I'm getting you moving on. That's what you want to do. You want to detach from this man you know from a very long time, and you want to start new love. You feel trapped though, because you have kids for the man, you have a family for the man. You feel trapped. Sir, Danique, let me tell you something. The MILFs are taking over. You need to know this. Let's continue. The creativity side of it, the 5 of Wands, making a lot of arguing though. Maybe you're arguing, like for example, I know the guy was a promoter. So I'm used to out at parties. I don't know if girl, let me tell you something. You there with a girl like Danique, yeah, you're married to a girl like that. You're not there with her, you're married, Danique, in front of the world. You see, anywhere you go, girl are gonna deliberately look you. All if girl never ever interested in you before, they're gonna come up to you and pretend them start like you. To see how easy it is for you to shame your woman and your woman in a public eye. But because you're so blood clot stupid and you're frightened for pussy, right? And obviously you never have a girl interested in you. Then he coming like she was a holy blood clot girl who didn't love you, right? Bumble clot, right? Okay, fine, you take her up, okay. And a girl now uptown, they never want to come to your man. They never want to fuck your man. Even if they've never ever thought about fucking your man before. But your man there with their dick. So that's why them a target your man. Yeah, then he can be artist, then he can be proud wife, then he can have 2 kids. Okay, watch this. When go to her man, hi, you know, I'm actually like you. Yeah, I know my friend like you, but it's okay. My friend not to know. And she fuck you, and you give up all of that for what? Because you're frightened of a pussy. Because Danique is not a cheater. I met Danique so much time on CVM. So yeah, we have Danique in the building again. Sorry. Let's go. Okay, production. Let's see what your production is. Your production is the strength card. Was that your message that I got for you? Who will I do? Taurus, the strength. Remember me just said that, Taurus? The strength card bears. That's your channel message, your strength card. When you lie, you lie, you lie. So you find out maybe your marriage was a lie. Maybe he had decided to bitch at your wedding. Me getting everything was a lie. Now you feel fucked up, you want to leave. He might fight you for leave. Maybe because I'm in the public eye. What went wrong? Who did what? He's going to say it was a mutual decision. Just like what DDJ tried to convince the fucking world. You take my fucking Haley Bailey legs. She took away the fucking camera in front of her. She took away a PS6 blood clot. You took away the Little Mermaid voice and gave her legs. Bitch, she took away your PS6 and gave you a streaming camera. Anyways, let's just continue. Strength card is here. Some yes, of course, you're there with a man, he cheat on you, you come like you want to give one blood clot licking in your face. Man, you cannot. You have to walk away. To walk away and just glad to say you walk away in time. But you get humiliated in front of the whole world. And you would expect that somebody who is in the media with you would understand how to behave in front of other people so that that disrespect or that embarrassment don't happen. But it's like, yo, really nigga? Really bitch? Like, we on TV for real, bitch. Like, there's cameras around here for real, bitch. And that's how you gonna treat me on live TV? For a moment? For a bitch? Really? Do not pick up them money or pussy frightened. If them pussy frightened, don't take them blood clot up. They're for the streets. Let us continue. 3, 6. Partnership is a 7 of swords. But it's something about thief. Or you sneak way talk about say you're gonna work or you drive gone to the other girl yard. Left your wife at home. Your inheritance is the Ace of Pentacles. Well, at least your man still have to pay you if he did ever use your image. If he did ever claim say I'm a producer on your blood clot song, guess what? Anyway, anytime he play that song in a dance, you get blood clot royalties. So that's another thing now. What else? Philosophy is a King Knight of Cups. Your ambition is a 4 of Cups. And I hope you don't turn a drinker now. Because I'm getting you a drink, it fuck up your voice, it fuck up your vocal capacity. Of saying, make me believe you. And what is your inner self? The 5 of Pentacles. So I'm getting great career. It was great while it lasted. Everybody thought that this was going to be such a great family. And you found out that surely that's, yeah, just because you got married, that don't get rid of problems. You had the same problems when before you got married and you decided to get married because you apparently, I don't know if you did want a man marry you to prove to the world say him was with you, but I don't know if you get a shut up ring. Did you get a shut up ring, Denique? Denique does not deserve a such shut up ring. Denique is one of the nicest women them in Jamaica. She's so nice, she's so down to earth, she's so gorgeous. So I'm getting Denique, the fuck I never make you believe him. Thank God Denique never believe him, wasting your pussy juice and that nigga. You better find somebody else. Denique have visa, go fuck one foreign man. You don't need these Jamaican niggas. You don't. You don't need these Jamaican men. Now I understand you want to stay to your own kind and you want to be loyal, blah, 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 blah. Oh yeah, sell out. Oh yeah, you don't want to stay to your own kind. Oh yeah, you don't like Jamaican man. No, because they fucking embarrass you. So you don't like them. They're fucking embarrassing. You don't know. You can't take them on the red carpet. I'm not a blood clot behavior. Maybe friends, maybe more. Make him say your baby father. Scorpio. Maybe you did it with a Scorpio. I don't remember what Denique's sign is. Bright future. Girl, just because 2 kids came out of your vagina, it doesn't mean vocals can't come out of your mouth. There is a ghost in my room. I'm also getting a death in the family. I don't know why I want to say that. Celebrity. Denique, make me believe you. Denique, when you lie, you lie. Denique, the man lie. Make him fuck off. Kill them with kindness, one more. And Mean Girls, the ugly bitches comedy, what did come like they want to fuck your man. As soon as they're there with the man and I claim the man. The man never been claimed in Jamaica before, then as soon as they claim the blood clot and a beard girl in our inbox and the dirty fucker so frightened for pussy him reply. He's like, wow, I'm doing great now. Wow, my wife is Denique. Oh my God, bitches love me. Bitches love the car, the wife did a fuck you. So now your wife left you, you're going back to the bitches who don't even want to fuck you no more. They just want to see how easy you work for fuck up a relationship. Wanna think girl alone easy for trick? Wanna think girl alone easy for trick? Wanna say about man? We're not talking about loyalty test on girl, If you try loyalty test on your blood clot man, when you're just there with a man and you see how much girls start to inbox you and you don't know why. You didn't even figure out why so much girl inbox you once you had a girlfriend. It's because they want to see how easy it is to take you away from your girlfriend. That's the first thing. And second thing, you gotta embarrass your girlfriend. Because believe me, niggas will embarrass their girlfriends for other niggas. Can't trust these niggas. Anyways, we'll leave it here until next time. Bye.